Girl, hi. What are you doing now?
I am relaxing after a long day.
Same. Evening feels so peaceful.
Yes, evenings calm the mind nicely.
Did you finish all your work?
Yes, I finished everything today.
Good. You must feel light now.
Yes, I feel very relaxed now.
Do you like evening walks?
Yes, I love walking slowly.
Evening air feels very fresh.
Yes, it is cool and quiet.
Do you listen to music now?
Yes, I play soft music tonight.
Soft music feels very soothing.
Yes, it makes evenings nicer.
Did you eat anything yet?
Yes, I had light snacks now.
Good. Light snacks are perfect.
Yes, heavy snacks feel tiring.
What will you do later tonight?
I will watch a short video.
Nice. Videos help you relax.
Yes, but only a few minutes.
Do you read at night sometimes?
Yes, I read simple stories.
Stories feel good before sleep.
Yes, they calm the mind.
Do you sleep early or late?
I sleep early on most days.
Good. Early sleep is healthy.
Yes, it gives more energy.
I will make some tea now.
Nice. Evening tea tastes great.
Yes, tea makes me feel warm.
Warm tea is perfect tonight.
Okay, I will rest after tea.
Same. I will rest soon too.
Talk to you again later.
Sure. Have a calm evening.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye. Take care.